Last month, you booked a flight for $90, but by the time you finished checking out, it was $162. You added a bag, a seat by the window, and priority boarding so you could skip the queue. Although it's not particularly pleasant, nothing dishonest happened to you. Every extra was shown to you, one screen at a time. But what you probably don't know is that these extras are not a side hustle. It's a $5 billion business for Ryanair, a third of their total turnover. So you're not an isolated case. That's the business model. Let me show you how it works and how to use it in your own business. For decades, an airline ticket was one number. We learned the mechanics in the previous video. Airlines traditionally priced the seat, the bag, the meal, the seat assignment, all of it into one single fare. Ryanair broke that number apart. That's what unbundling actually means. In plain terms, instead of pricing the whole service as one bundle, you price each piece of it separately, and the customer decides what they want to pay for. Economists call this partitioned or drip pricing, when the extra charges appear one at a time as you move through the checkout. The reason why this has been working for over 25 years is this. People react very differently to a base price plus a list of add-ons than to one honest total, even when the two numbers end up being identical. Okay, we've covered the basics. It's time for some juicy pricing tricks. Here's the part most people don't know. The price of your bag, your seat, your priority boarding, none of that is a fixed price. Ryanair has said publicly that it uses something like 20 variables: the route, the day, how full the flight already is, how close you are to departure, to set those prices in real time. In other words, the yield management that we talked about with hotel rooms is applied to the plane ticket and to everything else added to it. Then there's timing, and this is the genuinely clever part. The exact same checked bag can cost you 3 different prices, depending purely on when you say yes to it. Add it while you're booking, and it's roughly 10 to 25 euros. Add it later through the Manage Your Booking section, and it's more. Show up at the gate having forgotten it, and too bad for you, the same bag now costs you somewhere between $46 and $75. What changed in these situations is your state of mind at the moment you decide. Momentum early, mild panic late. Ryanair manages to price both very well. But there's a limit to this. For a while, if you were flying with a child under 12, Ryanair required at least one adult in the booking to buy a seat reservation, typically around $10, specifically so that the child could sit beside them. It's optional on paper like any other seat, but in practice, try to tell your 4-year-old that they're going to be seated in row 31 next to Mr. Big and Smelly while you're in row 4. The UK's competition regulator opened an investigation into that fee as an unfair contract term. In June this year, Ryanair scrapped it. So the takeaway for you is that the real skill isn't hiding a price. It's choosing the moment you ask for it. Early, while the customer is still riding the excitement of the deal, or late, when not buying it becomes more expensive than paying. And a big chunk of margin is made on extras that price a fear instead of a preference. Just be careful not to go too far. So that $90 ticket, it wasn't a lie. Every charge on top of it was shown to you and me clearly before we paid. But I also wouldn't have booked at $162 if it had been the number on the search page. Neither would most people. That's the whole trick. I'd love to read from you in the comments. Do you think this is outrageous, or has it become something normal in your buying habit? If you want the other half of this story and know which airline invented dynamic pricing and how it works, that's your next watch right here. If this kind of analysis is useful to you, whether you're setting your prices or just trying to understand the world around you, subscribe to the Pricing Club. New video every Thursday. Thank you for watching and safe flight.